Alright, prank time. Let's see what happens when I push this straw in. Yes, pranksters, this is a very messy prank, as you guys just saw. So now let me show you how it's done. It's very simple and it's very easy. But first, give this video a big thumbs up if you guys are excited about pranking somebody with this prank. Also subscribe if you haven't yet for more pranks such as these. Let's get started. Check it out. Alright pranksters, to pull off this prank, you guys are gonna need the following. A cup like this one from your favorite restaurant or your victim's favorite restaurant, a lid, a straw, a water balloon, a push pin, and right here I'm just gonna use some Kool-Aid. Well, this is not Kool-Aid, but it's a knockoff that works just as well. Anyway, we're gonna be reusing the cup from my last video. If you guys remember, this happened. So I basically removed the bottom of the cup, so it should look something like this. Next, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna fill up this balloon with water, but make sure it can fit inside the cup. Make sure it's not too big and not too small, just the right size. So let me head over to the sink and fill this up and show you guys how it should look. Alright, something like this will most definitely work, so we're gonna tie it. And look, we're gonna throw it inside the cup, like so. That works. Now, position the cup where you want your victim to get the cup. So leave it by the counter where you guys know your victim is gonna get the cup. Next, what I'm gonna do is get some Kool-Aid or the knockoff Kool-Aid and sprinkle some on top of the balloon, like so. Just to make a bigger mess. That works. Now, let's put the lid on. It looks like I cut myself. But that's the Kool-Aid. Now we're gonna work with the straw, and I got two push pins here. I don't know which color I should choose, but I think red would be better. So I'm gonna take the push pin, guys, and jam it inside the straw. It should look something like this at this point. Next, we're gonna take the straw and push it in with the push pin going in first, but leave it like this, guys, on its side. Do not push it all the way in. That's your victim's job, because of course they won't know what's going on until it's too late. So leave the straw as is, barely inside. When you tell your victim, hey, I left a cup of soda on the counter, it's all yours. And they're gonna come over, guys, and yeah, they're gonna pick up the cup and then push the straw all the way in, and then the following will happen. All right, prank time. Let's see what happens when I push this straw in. Casually, your victim is gonna do exactly just that. Push the straw further in, and this mess happens. And my shoes are wet now, and I wore the wrong shoes for this demonstration. That is not good, guys. I got my shoes that are gray. They not have red in them. Not a good combination. Anyway, guys, that's the prank. Try it out. Somebody will fall for it, especially somebody that you just don't like. Prank them. For more pranks, check out my channel, youtube.com/Nextraker. There I have lots more extreme pranks such as this one and other messy pranks you guys might like. So check it out. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet with the bell notifications turned on. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out this video. I'll see you pranksters in my next one.